Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a really quick and easy installation video. Tis the season, wintertime. Don't have a chance to go out riding very much, so I use this downtime to add the little things that I've accumulated over the past several months to the Bronco. So today is going to be very simple. It's plug and play. It's basically the security module. So most Broncos that are sold, when the car is locked, if you open the door, the alarm will go off, but there is no impact sensors. This module, like I said, is plug and play right in the behind the glove box, and it gives your Bronco the additional capability of having a shock sensor. So I'm going to go through a quick unboxing, a quick installation. This should be a fairly quick video, but if you're someone that's interested in installing one of these, hopefully this will help you as to how to do it. So let's get to the unboxing. All right, so let's get through the unboxing. So I got this from the Ford Accessories website when it was on sale for 25% off. Let's see what we got here. We got a installation manual and a bag of looks like some jumpers, stickers. We have a wiring loom here. Let's take a look. So looks like that connects into the existing harness, and this will go into the existing module, and this will go probably into the sensor module. And then within the packaging itself, this is the add-on sensor. So we got the add-on sensor here. Very light, not much to it. And then of course, they gave us a bunch of zip ties. So this would get zip tied somewhere behind the glove box. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing, not much to it. Now let's take out the glove box and get this installed. Again, this should be a very simple, quick installation. Welcome to the interior of my Bronco. Let's get working here. So first thing's gonna be removing the glove box. You saw from an earlier video, I have the IAG Bronco glove box light kit installed, but there's just on the side here, there's a little clip to unclip, and that will help you drop the glove box. There you go. And then you have these two push tabs on the side. I'll make sure it's not hitting. There we go. Had to push down on that light from my AG to make sure it wasn't hitting. It's still hitting. So this would be out already if you didn't have this light here, but I just got to push down on it a bit. There we go. Let me disconnect the light. There we go. And remove this whole glove box out of the Bronco. Put it aside. So it's going to be kind of hard to see. It's a dark spot in the Bronco. Let me see if I can get this set up. So when you look in here, you'll see this silver module on the side here. And there's a wire loom. Let's get this out of the way here. There's a wire loom underneath of it. Yeah, I can feel it here underneath. And you'll need to pull that wire loom, pinch it, and pull it down. And that's what's going to connect into the supplemental wiring. And then you need to find a spot to zip tie this thing. Okay, so let's get to it. Let's get that wiring removed. Don't know how easy it's going to be seen. There's not much room here. All right, that might work. All right, so I should be able to reach behind here and squeeze and pull straight down, and that should remove the connector. All right, I'm gonna have to do this without the camera because I gotta be exactly where the camera is right now to kind of reach behind it and get a good grip on it. So I'll bring you back once I have it disconnected. All right, I'm not gonna lie, this took forever. It took probably about a good half hour to get this one little connector off of that module. There's a I don't know if you can see it. It's right up here. There's a push tab right here on the back, and you have to push down on that push tab as you pull down. Meanwhile, there's wires and everything else all around it. So that was the difficult part right there. So again, it took me about a half hour, unreal, to get this one connector removed from this module. But now I should just be, hopefully everything will go the rest of the way pretty easy. So let me go get the wiring harness, connect it to here, connect the harness back into this module, and then connect the alarm sensor. All right, so here's the loom that came with the harness that came with the kit. So this should connect right to the stock connector here. Okay. There you go. Click. And now this piece here has to go back into the module. So let's see if I get this here. Try to line this up. Okay. They don't give you much to work with. That's for sure. And I had to disconnect this blue wire here to this here to be able to actually get to any of this. Oh, I'm like knocking the camera around. Sorry. All right. Let me try something different here. Let's get this one off. Okay. Let's connect into the module first. Then we'll see how much we got to play with here. Alright. This is weird. So let me try bending this wire a little bit different because there we go. Now this needs to go into the module. All right, I'm gonna have to do this without the camera because the camera is in my way again. So I will bring you back once I get this back installed in the module, and then we'll connect all the rest of the wires back up. So I finally got the wiring harness pushed back into the module and connected to the stock connector. Now it's just a matter of connecting the alarm module to this ancillary connector here. There we go. And now trying to find a spot to zip tie it. I'm thinking maybe like right around, maybe somewhere right back up out of the way here. Because you gotta remember there's gonna be a glove box in here. So I think I'm gonna mount it. Let me show. I'm gonna mount it like up in that corner here with the zip ties. So obviously can't show that to you on camera because I'm going to be up there with the zip ties trying to get that module connected in place, and can't do that with the camera laying right where I'm going to be. So I'm going to zip tie that in there and then bring you guys back and show you it fully installed with the zip tied in place. I hope you can see it up there. We got the module zip tied to that brace up there. And now I'm just going to start up the Bronco without starting it. Just turn it on, turn it off, and that should recycle the system and hopefully pick up that module. Back in the Bronco, so I should just be able to turn it on. And that will cycle everything, reboot the system. Wait for it to fully come up. All right, and then turn off the Bronco. Hit lock and unlock. And now it should be all set. So let's give it a try. All right, so I'm gonna lock the Bronco. Give it some time to set, and then I will try to open the door and see if it will trigger the alarm. Let's see, at this point it should trigger it. So that's a success. That's a warning beep. If I kept pulling on it, eventually it would trigger, and it's good to go. Well, that's it for this installation. I hope you guys found it useful. If you're looking to install one of these yourselves, definitely recommend it for the Bronco. As you know, the Bronco is a fairly modular vehicle and pretty easy to get into. So this will hopefully help a little bit with that deterrence of adding this alarm system to it. Also, I heard that I read online that when the alarm does go off, it will notify you via the Ford app if you have the app on your phone. So another bonus there. Like I said, you can get this at the Ford accessories website. I suggest that you wait until they run another 25% off promotion, which they do at least once a quarter. Take advantage of that. Don't pay full price. And like I said, it should take you about 20 minutes, half hour to install. But for me, it took an extra half hour just to get that stupid connector off that module. So hopefully you'll have better luck and find an easier way to do it than I did. And that's it. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the videos I'm putting out there, please like and subscribe. Click on that button below, and I'll see you on the next adventure. Thank you.